From a tiny cotton seed to massive fabric rolls shipped worldwide, this is the hidden journey behind your clothes.
The journey begins with a seed planted in fertile soil.
With water, sunlight, and care, cotton plants grow over several months.
White cotton blooms signal harvest time.
Farmers harvest cotton carefully to protect fiber quality.
Fresh cotton is loaded directly onto tractor trolleys.
Cotton travels from farms to nearby small factories. This is where farming meets machinery. Cotton is unloaded for initial processing.
Ginning machines separate cotton fiber from seeds. Ginning machines separate cotton fibers from seeds. Machines clean cotton fibers, removing dirt and debris.
Technicians inspect cotton to ensure quality and strength.
Cotton fibers are flattened into long sheets for further processing.
Cotton is compressed into massive bales for transportation.
Bales are loaded onto trailers to be sent to large factories.
Trailers carry cotton long distances to big textile factories. Bales are opened and fibers spread for further processing. Fibers are aligned into long, smooth strands through carding machines. Fibers are spun into strong yarn ready for weaving. Yarn is woven into fabric by large weaving machines. Fabric is washed to remove impurities and dust.
Hot air dries the fabric evenly and efficiently.
Fabric is cut into large rolls for dyeing and finishing.
Advanced machines dye the fabric into various vibrant colors. Fabric is bundled into large packages for storage and shipping.
Each bundle is labeled with destinations for worldwide export.
Bundles are packed professionally for export.
Packed fabric travels via trailers to garment factories globally.
Next, this fabric arrives at one of the world's largest garment factories. Inside the factory, machines prepare the fabric for garment production.
Fabric rolls move along conveyors to different processing stations. The journey continues in Part 2, Garment Manufacturing.